Wait, are you in need of some extra income? Everybody need that. Now are you tired of inflation and rising prices? Tired like a dog. You can make an unlimited amount of money online with a little bit of information and this website where we're going to talk about in a few. So subscribe, like, and share this with anybody who you want to make a little extra. Or you can keep it to yourself, but you don't know so bad mind is a curse. Run the intro. Fiverr.com is a website where people offer their services and also buy services for literally anything. People can hire you for their business, private project, or just for idleness. Once you have decent reviews or a skill that is in need, anything will sell. The way how you actually make money on Fiverr is, after you sign up on them thing there, you have to provide a service what people want. And how do you know what services specifically people want? Well, one, you can Google it. A number of websites, the surveys and collect various statistics on how hot or attractive certain jobs on this website is, and also the amount of demand that buyers have for this specific job. And then after you know this, you can learn and or offer the services that are in demand by the buyers. There are two ways in which they can earn from Fiverr. People buy your service or you apply for a buyer's request. When you sign up on Fiverr, the service that you offer is called a gig, and there are hundreds if not thousands of gigs where you can offer. When you offer these gigs to various buyers, most times buyers will search for which gigs they want to buy, and depending on your price or previous review and even how pretty the thumbnail is, they might just choose your gig. This is not a get-rich thing, although you can make a lot of money on Fiverr. You have to smart and try find out what people want and give it to them, or learn it so you can give it to them. Popular gigs on Fiverr include anything to do with graphic design, video editing, website creation, voiceover, web design, being a personal assistant, and them things there. The possibilities are endless. A lot of things that we as Jamaicans would have just do by ourselves or ask somebody we know are the one link there. People across the world are willing to pay to get these tasks done. So once you have your skill and it is in demand, or you can learn an in-demand skill, you can make a load of money from Fiverr. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and share this with anyone who you know is struggling financially, especially in these times of inflation. As long as them have a skill that can be monetized online, or them can offer a simple service from simple to complex skills can be marketed on Fiverr. Stay dangerous and wise. Student of wealth.